Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a breakthrough that's shaking up the semiconductor industry. Yep, we're talking about SMIC, China's largest chip foundry, and their bold move in chip manufacturing. This isn't just any tech update, it's about overcoming huge obstacles and potentially reshaping market dynamics. So, what's the big deal? SMIC is rumored to start producing 5 nanometer chips for Huawei. Now that might sound like just another day in the tech world, but here's the kicker. They're doing it without the cutting edge EUV machines, which are pretty much the gold standard for making such advanced chips. Instead, they're using older DUV lithography technology, which they got their hands on before heavy sanctions hit. Now, why does this matter? Most of the tech giants like TSMC and Intel rely on EUV machines for their smallest and most efficient chips. These machines are a big deal because they can etch incredibly tiny, precise features onto chips, making them faster and more power efficient. But here's SMIC sidestepping this tech and still aiming to produce 5 nanometer chips. It's kind of like bringing a knife to a gunfight but still holding your ground. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Using older technology means higher production costs and lower yields. This means SMIC's chips could be up to 50% more expensive than their competitors, and their efficiency might not be up to par. That's a tough pill to swallow in an industry where cost and performance are king. But let's talk impact. If SMIC pulls this off, it could be a game changer for Huawei, allowing them to keep competing in the high-end smartphone market despite the sanctions. And it's not just about Huawei. This could set a precedent for other companies facing similar restrictions. This move by SMIC shows a lot about the current state of global tech. It's about innovation under pressure, about finding ways to thrive even when the odds are stacked against you. And whether or not they succeed, SMIC is definitely pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the tech world. So, what do you think? Is SMIC's strategy going to pay off, or is it a high-stake gamble in the high-tech arena? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on how tech is changing the world around us. Thanks for watching.